Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiondra, also known as Key. And if you are new, make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button so that you will be notified every time that I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all a hairstyles video, and it is this hairstyle right here. So I did film it for you all. This is the second time that I got this hairstyle in my head. A lot of you all do like to know like what I have in my hair, or if I have filmed videos on these hairstyles and such. So I decided to film it this time. This is crochet hair, and this is the model brand Deep Twist or whatever. I do have a clip that I'm going to show you all like what the packaging and all of that looks like. It is 22 inches long. My hair is cornrowed underneath. I cannot braid to the scalp. I actually had my mom to braid my hair, and then I just installed the crochet myself with a crochet hook and the hair. That's basically all you really need. I did want to kind of talk about the hair a little bit before I did show like the tutorial. And this is how much hair I have left. I did get 4 packs of hair. I didn't have to use all of it, but this is how much I have left. The hair does get a bit frizzy, but it's not as bad. It just looks like that up close or when I'm looking at it, but if other people are looking at it, they won't be able to see, and you definitely can't tell from afar either. The hair, I like it because it's not too tight of a curl, and it's not to the point where it's like straight either. I did want to point out that this hair is crochet hair, but it can get quite difficult when it comes to separating the hair, because it's not like any usual crochet twist or braids or anything like that to where it separates easily. It separates like this, but if you was to take it apart, it will like become frizzy. So as long as you put like some mousse or something on there, then you should be fine. So you will see all of that in the clips. I just wanted to let you all know that. So it might shed a little bit, but usually what I like to do is I like to just wet it, put some mousse on it, and then I like to cut any shed hairs or any hairs that are too long. So that's pretty much it. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So right here, I'm just going to do a spin around of how my braids are looking and what my braid pattern is looking like. So then I'm just going to figure out a hairstyle to do in the front of my hair, and I decided to do the rubber band hairstyle type of thing going on in the front. So that is what I'm doing here. I went in with some water, wet line extreme gel, and some rubber bands. Once that is done, I'm going to go in with my first piece of crochet hair. And I mean, it's really self-explanatory. Like, it's not hard at all. All you have to do really is just take the crochet hook, put it underneath the braid, latch the hair into the hook, close the hook, pull the hair through along with the hook, and then you can loop the hair through the hole. I try to do it at least 2 times to make sure that the knot is secure. That way it doesn't unravel or try to slide out or anything like that. So that's what it's looking like so far. And as you can see, this is what I was talking about when I pull the hair apart. It does get a little frizzy, but it's gonna do that regardless. So you will see me like pulling at the hair and trying to get rid of like any shed hair and stuff like that. So then I'm going in with some Lotta Body mousse, and I'm just gonna put that all over the hair so far. That way I can kind of tame it, and it wouldn't be too frizzy. And I'm just cutting off any frizzies or anything that is too long. So this is what it's looking like so far. I think I had got about 3 rows done. No, I got more than that done. I'm tripping. I think I had 7 braids in my hair. I think I had did 5 so far, because I think I have 2 left right here in this clip. So then right now I have 1 braid left. And then I just have a little bit of hair left. So I'm taking another piece of hair, doing another demo, putting the hook through. Then I'm going to attach the hair onto the hook. I'm going to close the hook, pull the hair through, put the hair through the loop. And I'm going to do that twice to make sure that it is secure. And then pull it, and it's going to secure at the root of the braid. Then I'm just pulling it again. You don't have to use big pieces of hair to do this hairstyle, but it's all up to you and your preference. But you don't want your hair to be extremely heavy. So this is what it's looking like when I have all of the crochet in my head. Well, not all of it, but I have my entire head done. And all of my cornrow braids are filled with some crochet hair. So then again, I'm going in with some mousse, and I'm going to go over my entire head just to make sure it's tamed, no frizzies or nothing like that. I'm going to go in with my scissors again and make sure to cut off any hairs that are too long or shedding and all of that stuff. If you would like to see a video of me like maintaining my hair each night and how I maintain this crochet hair, make sure to give this video a thumbs up or comment down below. So yeah, this is the final look. This is basically what it's looking like. I really like this style. I really enjoyed it. But yeah, I only had a tad bit of hair left. Didn't have much at all, but you can use as little or as much as you would like. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and try this hairstyle out for yourself. I will put where you can get this hair in the description box. I got this from my beauty supply, and I will see you guys in the next one.